Thank you. Hey, hello, and welcome back. I'm Anita Norris, and this is Anita Life of Wellness, and I've got a good one for you today. But first, scroll that cursor on over to the thumbs up to like and subscribe. It helps these videos reach more people. Now, I know I've said it before, but for reals, we are on day 90 of our 100 days to reclaim your health. And I did. I checked with Siri to make sure that was true. Now, if you've been with me this long, maybe you're struggling with a little bit of joint or muscle discomfort, and you're wondering if I'm ever going to answer that because you want to know if essential oils will work. And in this video, I'll be answering the question, are there essential oils for joint pain and inflammation, as well as what essential oil for arthritis is available? But first, check that description in the link. Nope, check that description. Check the description for all the links, including the back to school download, as well as starting CrossFit download, and links to join my class on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Mountain Time. And I'd love to engage with y'all, so comment down below if you've learned something here in any of these previous 89 videos. And as we've done for the last 89 days, we are going to start with a prayer. Our Father in heaven, we are so grateful to Thee that Thou hast been with us, that Thou hast taught us and helped us to discover new things and ways to take care of our body. We pray that Thou wilt continue to help us, to guide us, to learn things that will open our minds to Thee and to us being able to serve Thee better. We pray for Thy Spirit to be with those who are hurting, who are suffering in any way, that Thou wilt lift them and buoy them and help them. And if we are those hands meant to help, that we may reach out and lift those around us. Father, we're grateful to Thee for the blessing of Thy Son, for His example to us, and pray that we may live up to that example and share the goodness of our Savior to those around us. And we say this in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into. Inflammation and pain in the human body. We'll explore how our body responds to these challenges, what triggers them, and a fascinating natural approach using doTERRA essential oils and supplements to support our body during such times. So let's do it. Let's jump right in. We're going to start with what exactly is inflammation? Well, inflammation is our body's natural defense mechanism in response to harmful stimuli, such as infections, injuries, or toxins. It's like an alert system that lets our body know that something is not quite right. During inflammation, our immune system releases white blood cells and various chemical signals to the affected area. This can lead to redness, swelling, heat, pain, all the classic signs of inflammation. It's a sign that our immune system is working to heal and protect us. So let's talk about the causes of inflammation, some of them. It can be triggered by a variety of factors, such as infections, injuries, stress, poor diet, and even environmental toxins. Chronic inflammation, however, can be a bit more complicated and may be linked to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and immune disorders. While wounds, infections, and diseases would not be able to heal without acute inflammation, chronic inflammation can cause a myriad of undesirable diseases or conditions that also include cancers, other chronic conditions, and even hay fever. When chronic inflammation occurs, the type of cells at that site shift. That's a new one for me. and the result is the concurrent repair and destruction of the tissue. Inflammation must be regulated to serve as nature intended. Thankfully, we have cortisol, which is a hormone produced by the adrenal gland. It's the most powerful anti-inflammatory substance in the body. When the adrenal glands become stressed or fatigued, insufficient amounts of cortisol are produced, resulting in increased inflammation. So this is where we have to take proper care of the adrenal glands because it's a critical component to ensuring an appropriate inflammatory response. But hey, we've got doTERRA essential oils, nature's little helpers. These oils are derived from plants and carry powerful compounds that can assist our body's natural healing process. When it comes to managing inflammation and pain, many doTERRA essential oils stand out. So, we need to look first at some best practices for essential oil use for relief and support from discomfort and inflammation. Topically, it's very effective in relieving pain resulting from structural issues. You can apply oils directly to any area of concern and use a carrier oil if necessary to prevent sensitivity. You want to apply it often, every 20 to 30 minutes if it's acute, until symptoms subside, then reduce that to every 2 to 6 hours, again for that acute pain. If you're looking for help with chronic discomfort, you'll apply 2 to 3 times daily. Also, layering different essential oils is very effective for using multiple oils at the same time. Internally, you can use doTERRA only, highly effective for more chronic or internal pain. You want to place the oils in a capsule or drop it under the tongue and hold it for about 30 seconds before you swallow it. Now, I'm going to give you a list, so I hope you've got pen and paper ready. We're going to talk about the single oils for pain. We've got copaiba, turmeric, and frankincense, which all relieve discomfort and inflammation. Helichrysum will help reduce discomfort as well. It also accelerates healing and chelates toxins. Wintergreen, on the other hand, soothes aches and discomfort and warms and promotes circulation. It has a cortisone-like effect that will help support bone healing as well. Peppermint reduces inflammation and discomfort. It also cools and invigorates and stimulates, while ginger will help invigorate nerves and promote circulation and healing to bone and muscles. Black pepper reduces inflammation, relieves discomfort, and increases circulation, while basil and rosemary help calm nerves, improve circulation and healing. And it also has a steroidal action. That was hard for me to say. The blends that are great for inflammation and discomfort include Deep Blue, DDR Prime, Past Tense, and Aroma Touch. Then we also have supplements that you can take to help with discomfort and inflammation. They include the Alpha CRS Plus, which is in LLV, the Bone Nutrient Complex, Copaiba soft gels, DDR Prime soft gels, the Deep Blue Polyphenol Complex, the IQ Mega, the MetaPower Advantage turmeric capsules, and XE Omega, which is in LLV. The one thing that I love best for reducing inflammation and discomfort at the joint level is the Deep Blue Stick plus Copaiba. Those work very well for me. Okay, well that sure was a lot of information about a closer look at inflammation and pain and discomfort and how doTERRA essential oils and supplements can offer support. Remember, these products are meant to complement a healthy lifestyle, including, I'm going to go with it, nutrition, proper nutrition, exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management, the 4 pillars. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome and informative content. And as always, stay curious and take care of your amazing selves. So until tomorrow and the next video, see ya.